Namaskara. I am Dr. Nilesh Reddy, Consultant Medical Oncologist, Columbia Yeshwantpur Hospital, a branch of Manipal Hospitals. Today is World No Tobacco Day. So let us understand what is World No Tobacco Day. World No Tobacco Day is done on 31st of May every year to increase the awareness about the ill effects of tobacco or smoking on the health of an individual, on his family and society in general. Tobacco consumption, the major part of it is contributed by cigarettes, BDs, and also in India particularly gutka and oral tobacco contribute significantly to the illness of our country. Today, 1 in 3 individual of our country, citizen of our country, consumes tobacco in one form or the other. So smoking kills so many people today, not only in India, across the world, that the number of people who die due to heart disease, due to cancer or due to stroke all put together still will be lesser than the number of patients who die due to smoking. Apart from the death what smoking can cause, it also causes significant amount of illness to an individual. That can be in the form of heart disease, lung disease, effect on the kidney, as well as cancer. Now, not only to an individual, smoking also has ill effects on the family members. If a person smokes at home, his children, wife, particularly if his wife is pregnant, it will have significant health impairment on his family members also. In addition, we will be contributing to the pollution to the society, which causes lot of ill health among them also. So it is important that we need to think in the direction of quitting smoking. Quitters are winners. That is the theme for this year, 2021 No Tobacco Day. That is the theme. Let us make a sincere attempt to quit smoking and live a healthy life. Quitting smoking has many benefits. Benefit at an individual level, benefit at a family level, as well as benefit at a community level. At an individual level, the risk of death starts coming down the moment smoking is stopped. The risk of heart disease, the risk of cancer, the risk of lung diseases starts coming down, which can be as immediate as within 1 month, and with the passing of period over the next few months to years and then over the next few decades, your life will be almost like a normal individual who has not smoked. The risk of cancer, which increases significantly, comes down after the age of after 10 years of stopping of smoking. Today in India, almost 50 to 60% of cancers are caused because of tobacco consumption in one form or the other. That can be in the form of gutka, that can be in the form of consuming kheni, BD, cigarette or cigar. Today, if everybody in India decides to quit smoking or consumption of tobacco in all the forms, over the next 1 to 2 decades, the cancer burden of India is going to come down by almost 50 to 60%. So that much is the benefit we see only in cancer. If we take the health benefits of other conditions like heart diseases and lung diseases, the benefits are phenomenally more. You can't just imagine how healthy our country is going to become by a small step of one individual quitting the tobacco. So I say yes to life and no to smoking. Thank you.